Welcome to our comparison of two popular power supplies, the Thermaltake SMART 600W and the CORSAIR RM1000X. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the Thermaltake SMART 600W is significantly more budget-friendly at just $54, making it an attractive option for users looking for a reliable power supply without breaking the bank. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM1000X comes in at $189, reflecting its premium features and higher wattage capacity. While the initial cost of the RM1000X is higher, it may be worth the investment for those needing a high-performance power supply. Wattage is another critical factor to consider. The Thermaltake SMART 600W provides a solid 600W output, which is suitable for mid-range systems. However, for high-end gaming rigs or workstations, the CORSAIR RM1000X offers a robust 1000W, ensuring that even the most demanding setups receive ample power. This makes the RM1000X a better choice for users planning to upgrade their systems in the future. Lastly, let's talk about modularity. The Thermaltake SMART 600W features a non-modular design, which can lead to cable clutter inside your case. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM1000X is fully modular, allowing users to connect only the cables they need. This not only simplifies cable management, but also enhances airflow within the case, making it a more aesthetically pleasing and efficient setup. In conclusion, the Thermaltake SMART 600W is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users with less demanding systems, while the CORSAIR RM1000X stands out as a premium option for high-performance builds. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.